There are other water sources we have around. I just choose to drink out of there. I guess because the chickens do it. This is usually how we do it in the morning. I'll throw feed out here and then they eat whatever is on the ground here, and then they go and do their chicken things. The rooster here is could be aggressive. That one's more tame. But we've been picking them up and petting them. We won't tolerate it. So this is Franz, and that's Hans over there. They all had ankle things, but some of them have gotten them off. We have to get some different ones. On the other white birds you see are my Americanas, and then I have copper Morans, and then I have my Plymouth Rocks, and then I have 2 Rhode Island Reds, 2 gold something, I can't think of what they're called, and then 2 gray. There. My roosters are Leghorn. They were supposed to be hens, but you know, is what it is. That's okay though. They're happy. My roosters do their job. There's that kitten way over there is Sir Calico, and this one right there is Lady, and the tuxedo is Missy. Our chickens really don't have names. They're just chickens. That part you don't need to see. They're getting their water for the morning, but there's another water bowl up further that they also drink out of. And if it runs dry out here, I check on them, so we refill it if it needs it. Now they're starting to go their separate ways now. So yeah, these are my chickens and my kittens. I have about 16 chickens. I have 4 barn cats, and then I have 3 indoor cats. One belongs to me, one belongs to my daughter, and one belongs to my son. Oh, there's Missy. And that's Americana right there. And then that one's a Goldie right there. That's a gold hen. And then I have my Rhode Island Red. There's one right there. And there's the other Rhode Island Red. They get along pretty well for the most part. I mean, they were all raised together, so. There you go.